Bonus video. Do the speed. You gotta do the top speed. The one on the top.
He said you told me 12 minutes.
Give it just. All right, now do the button. Don't hold it. Them hoses, when you hit reverse, are supposed to flex. They're not.
Wouldn't they only flex if they didn't have the hydraulic oil going through it?
So either this pump's going out or motors went out. Ask me how I know about the tub speed. Ask me how I know about the tub speed.
Because you've been here a long time.
No, I just couldn't. The fucking tub ain't moving. The tub ain't moving. You gotta either set it to slow or fast.
Well, he was messing with it up there with the
Not the throttle. It's the hydraulic speed. The throttle will kick on.
This is for the throttle. This is the engine speed. Stop.
What's the one under it?
Top, slow and fast.
That's the one.
Let me try it again.
Yeah. No, it's not running. He didn't do the tub slow or fast. Yeah, well, you got to turn the speed up and then try to reverse. Yeah, he didn't do that. Oh. Sorry, I thought it was the top one. You're all right. You'll get it.
Not to blame me. I got to take the newbie.
Now hit the tub speed.
Hold it for a few seconds.
Quick and left. Shut the machine off, you got to reset the speed of the tub. It won't, well, no, you already did it. But every time you shut it off, you got to reset it. Slow or fast. I just learned that last month. Shit, it took me a year to figure out how to turn the throttle off. Toggle switch.
It didn't take you that long.
Yeah, it did.
Set this camera.
That's enough of this video.